how to show all notifications and their content on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to show all your notifications and their content on your phone in Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on your profile, and now scroll down and click on notifications and sounds, and click on custom notifications, and click on the last option, which is on the lock screen. All you need to do is choose the option with show all notifications and their contact and click on it, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.